Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Fine-Tuning LLMs, teaching your AI intern specific company knowledge. Imagine you've hired a brilliant new intern. This intern is incredibly smart, knows everything from history to current events, and can write amazing essays on any topic. That's essentially what a large language model, LLM, is. It's a powerful computer program trained on a massive amount of text from the internet, making it capable of understanding, generating, and responding to human language in incredibly diverse ways. It's a general-purpose genius. While your AI intern, LLM, is super smart globally, it knows nothing specific about your company. It doesn't know your unique product names, your internal policies, your company's specific jargon, or who Project X refers to internally. If you ask it to draft a memo about the new Q3 marketing strategy for our flagship product, the Omni Widget 5000, it might give a good general memo, but it won't know what an Omni Widget is or your specific Q3 goals. This is where fine-tuning comes in. Fine-tuning means taking that general purpose, pre-trained LLM and giving it additional, focused training using your company's specific data. It's like having your intern shadow every department, read all your internal documents, product manuals, customer support logs, and marketing materials. You're not starting a new intern from scratch. You're specializing an existing, highly capable one to become an expert on your business. It's important to distinguish fine-tuning from simply prompting. Prompting is like giving your intern specific instructions each time. Write an email about the Q3 report using these bullet points. The intern uses its existing, general knowledge to fulfill the request. Fine-tuning is actually changing the intern's brain to incorporate new knowledge and ways of thinking. It teaches the intern how your company writes all Q3 reports, what your specific brand voice is, and what are the absolute facts about your products. It's a deeper, more permanent change to its capabilities. Why go through the effort of fine-tuning? Pinpoint accuracy. Your AI won't make things up, hallucinate about your company's specific facts. Consistent voice. It will speak and write in your company's unique brand tone and style. Efficiency. It performs specific tasks relevant to your business much better and faster. Cost-effective. For niche tasks, a smaller, fine-tuned model can often outperform a larger, more general one, potentially saving you compute costs. From a developer's perspective, here's a simplified look at the process. 1. Gather your data. Collect all your relevant company documents, product descriptions, internal wikis, customer FAQs, support chat logs, marketing copy. This is your AI intern's company manual. 2. Prepare the data. Format this data so the LLM can learn from it, e.g., as question-answer pairs, examples of specific tasks, or text snippets with specific styles. 3. Choose a base model. Select a general-purpose LLM to start with. Many are available via APIs or open-source libraries. This is your smart but unspecialized intern. 4. Train. Fine-tune. Feed your prepared company data to the base LLM. The model will adjust its internal brain connections to learn your specific patterns, facts, and style. This step requires computational resources. 5. Test and deploy. Evaluate if your newly fine-tuned model, your specialized AI intern, now performs its company-specific tasks brilliantly. Once fine-tuned, your AI intern can do amazing things for your company. Enhanced customer support. Build a chatbot that accurately answers specific questions about your products and services. Internal knowledge base. Create a powerful search tool that quickly finds answers within your company's vast documentation. Specialized content generation. Generate marketing copy, blog posts, or internal memos that perfectly match your company's unique brand voice and facts. Code generation. Help developers generate code adhering to your company's specific coding standards and using internal libraries. The exciting part is that fine-tuning is becoming more accessible for developers. Platforms like OpenAI, Google Cloud, and Hugging Face provide tools and APIs that abstract away much of the complexity, allowing you to focus on gathering and preparing your unique company data. Start experimenting with your own data to turn a general LLM into your indispensable, company-specific AI expert. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.